Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send spoiler text on Discord. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you need just to open your Discord app, and you will need just to go to any DMs or any channel where you can send messages. And basically from here, you will need just to use a command so you can have spoiler text. So here in the messages, you will find plus sign, or you can find all this here. So basically, you will need just to type slash, so you will be able to use any command. And as you can see, this is the spoiler command. You will need just to type spoiler and it will appear to you. And from here, you will need just to click or type any message that you want. Hi, I'm a spoiler message, and you type enter, and as you can see now we have spoiler text. So after we click on it, the text will appear. If you want to do this for the images, you will need just to click here on the plus, upload a file, and from here you will need to search for any image, for example this one, and you will need just to modify the attachment and click here, and basically here you will need just to mark it as spoiled. By clicking on save, you will see that the image has become spoiled. So we save it, and now you type enter, and now we have sent this image. So basically this is how you can send spoiler messages or spoiler text on Discord. Thank you for watching and see you next time.